Hello friends, welcome to my How Do I Solve YouTube channel, and here I'm going to show you unboxing this new AirPods 3, 3rd generation, 2021 released. With cheap pricing, no silicone ear tip, and no active noise cancellation. So, without wasting time, let's do the unboxing of this new AirPods 3rd generation that's a mixture of AirPods Pro and AirPods 2nd generation. The box is very beautiful and nice feel, that's really. Here's such information like AirPods serial number to check your AirPods is original or not, see top video card to know how to check it, and manufacturing information. So, the backside of the AirPods 3 box, sealed from two sides. Just remove the sticker and open it, just easy, don't need any knife or compulsion. Apple removed plastic cover because trying to reach 100% renewable products. Just open up the box and find the in-the-box accessories. First, you will find a small pocket with documents and information. Like setup guide and one AirPods with charged up to 75% in battery. Also find out, charging cable with USB-C charging port. For now, you have to buy it separately given from the link video description, or use your Max USB-C port. The size of the new AirPods 3, 2020 model is small and light compared to the earlier Pro model, but the same as AirPods 2 and 1. Without ear-tip AirPods Pro size is the same as AirPods 3, but slightly different. Apple changed microphone and other sensors are in different locations. By design quite same as AirPods Pro. Also, make sure AirPods 3 is not waterproof, it's water resistant. So don't change what AirPods directly, first, make them dry and use them. Now I am connecting these AirPods to my iPhone. Keep lid open and set near to your unlocked iPhone screen. Setup pop-up will appear on your screen and connect it. You can find out different control over your left or right AirPods for music and call. Skip this and start using AirPods. Now, open the control center, play some music on the music app, and see the volume bar, tap on it and see spatial audio option, enable it by tapping on it. Once you connect, check out important settings given in Bluetooth settings. Under the paired iPhone settings app. Tap on Bluetooth and see the I button next to the AirPods name. And see the list of AirPods features like microphones and more. Also, find out the direct AirPods 3 buying link with a real-time offer. So, don't miss to check it out. Hope you get the important tips that are really helpful to buy new AirPods 3. Don't miss to like, share and comment for more help.